Students, how are you? I am sure that all of you will be safe and sound at your home. My dear students, regarding our previous discussion, we have already finished a topic related with our poetry section, that's the fire and ice. Just after finishing that very topic, I am sure that all of you will be in position to sort out any problems related with that very chapter. Just after finishing that very topic, today we have to start the next topic related with our literature book, First Flight, that's the second chapter, like Nelson Mandela. So all of you carefully, minutely and seriously focus my today's video and follow me.
Chapter 2 related with first flight as well as topics related with our prose section like Nelson Mandela, Long Walk to Freedom. My dear students, just before going to start the explanation related with the chapter, I would like to provide you brief description related with the author. Like Nelson Mandela. Nelson R. Mandela was a South African anti-apartheid revolutionary political leader and philanthropist who served as President of South Africa from 1994 to 1999. He was the country's first black head of a state and the first elected in fully representative democratic election. Now, my dear students, I try my best to highlight all the characters related with this story. First one here like Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela. Second, Janani Mandela's daughter. Third one, Mr. de Klerk, like the second deputy president. And last here like Thabo Mbeki, first deputy president. Now, these are some prominent names that take part in the struggle against apartheid. First one here like Oliver Tambo. Second, Chief Ludhili. Third, Walter Sisulu. Fourth, Bram Fisher. Fifth, Yusuf Dado. And last like sixth number here, Robert Sobukwe. These all the characters directly or indirectly play their vital role in this story. Now, some forceful statements related with your chapter. First one here like, the brave man is not he who doesn't feel afraid, but he who conquers the fear. Second one like, man's goodness is a flame that can be hidden but never extinguished. My dear students, just after providing brief description about the author, all the characters, and the forceful statement related with your literature book, next day I shall try my best to provide you the exact summary of the chapter. So all of you, try your best to keep these all the informations or ideas in your mind that will support you to understand the chapter correctly and easily. Thanks a lot. God bless you and hope to see you again.